Hello students, types of chemical reaction lecture 2 lecture 1 de mon types of chemical reaction kurise lecture 2 de bi mon ekta duita reaction baki ase so idu complete kuro bishi important concept ase oxidation and reduction bishi important concept ase exam de ai dege oxy means oxygen, dation means gain. So oxidation la case tiki ase oxygen dor gain hoy reaction de there is addition of oxygen add hoishigule hydrogen do loss ho jay. Oxidation simple terms oxygen add hoy reaction de aro hydrogen do loss hoy. Itula opposite ase reduction reduce means lost. Oxygen loss ho jay, oxygen loss hoishigule hydrogen do gain ho jay. So in simple terms reduction means reaction de oxygen do reduce ho jay aru hydrogen do gain ho jay. Reaction ekbar sabo. Reactant de copper oxide ase product de copper ekla ase, reactant de copper oxide ase product de copper ekla ase. So idu oxygen do product de loss hoise so idu reduce ase, that is reduction. Reactant de hydrogen ase product de oxygen gain kurise so it was a oxidation. So it was simple terms as a oxidation reduction reaction aru idu reaction de oxidation bi was a yede oxidation bi was a yede reduction bi was a so itu reaction ke mon redox reaction bi koy. So my next lecture de anu redox reaction. So in simple terms oxidation means gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen, or reduction means loss of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. Thank you.